Glow up is real, but let's face the fact, not everyone can afford the expensive stuff. But then a girl's got to glow up. Today I'm going to be telling you basic things you can do to glow up, and most of them are actually DIY stuff. Hi favorites, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about glow up. Okay, so this is the third video I'm doing about this, and the essence is just to keep breaking it down until everyone can actually glow up within their budget. Number one, hair care. Under this we have the shampoo and conditioner. This is very important. I mean, every girl has a conditioner or a shampoo, and if you don't have that, I'm going to be telling you how to actually make yours at home. A few years back I used to make my shampoo by myself, and it was one of the best experiences because I tend to use it a bit longer than the ones I can get at a shop. When you're making something yourself, you tend to make more, and the good thing about this is that you can customize it however you want. You need black soap, rosemary leaf. The point is you need different herbs, hibiscus flower, you need things like this. The essence of these seeds is to grow your hair. That's its own part there. And another thing you need is water. Check YouTube for how to make your own shampoo. As I said, you also need a conditioner. This helps to soften your hair. Don't joke with these following things I'm about to mention. Don't joke with your leave-in conditioner, your deep conditioner, and your hair mask. Number 2 on the glow up list, skincare. I will never stop talking about skincare because it has done wonders on my own skin. My skin went from this to this within 1 year, but I started seeing results after 2 to 3 months of making use of the skincare. Please make sure you're making use of something safe. You're not using too much chemicals on your skin. If not, that has its own consequences. So the first thing on the skincare list is cleanser. You need a good cleanser or a bar soap. This cleanser is basically your face wash. Second, learn to exfoliate. A lot of people don't exfoliate and they don't even know what that is, but then research on it is very important. I'm going to show you this toner on the screen. It gently exfoliates your skin. So instead of making use of the harsh ones, you just use this like you use a regular toner, and it just does the job. You make use of this only once a week. The next thing you need is your regular toner. You need a mild, good toner. These ones are the types you use every day, morning and night. It's good for your skin. Number 4 on the skincare list, your face serum. A lot of us know what serums are. You apply them on your face and it has its own function. I'm going to list the function on the screen. You make use of this morning and night. The 5th thing you need under skincare is a good moisturizer. Your skin needs moisture just like your body needs water. Last but not least, you need sunscreen. Do not joke with your sunscreen. In 2025, I've said this in my last few videos. Please do not go out without a sunscreen to avoid sunburn and skin dehydration. Please do not deprive your skin of sunscreen. This is the one I make use of on the screen, but then there are different categories and different types of sunscreen, so just get yourself one. Do look out for one that dissolves easily on the skin and doesn't leave white casts. Third thing on the glow up list, we have body care. As I said before, and I'm going to say it again when it comes to body, learn how to exfoliate. This really brings out the inner glow in you. I started exfoliating this month, and within this month I've been able to see a couple of changes on my skin. I'm going to show you some scrubs you can make use of to exfoliate your skin. You make use of scrubs once a week or 2 times a week. You can actually make your own scrub at home, and these are some things you need to make them. You can check a couple of YouTube videos to see how to make your own scrub at home. Still under body care, you need a very good bar soap or body wash. If you can't afford the body wash, you can get a bar soap. Right now, body wash is on the high side. You can make use of bar soaps. As of last month, I was making use of this one showing on your screen, and I've been using it for a very long time. So don't always depend on body wash. You can make use of bar soap as well. Now I'm done with shower. The next thing you need is to moisturize your skin. You need a good moisturizing lotion, and I'm going to display some affordable ones on your screen. I don't think this one is affordable, but it does the job. If you can't afford lotions, please make use of a good Vaseline or original shea butter. It leaves your skin shiny. The next thing you need is a good body oil. For extra glow, you need body oil. Some are expensive while some are affordable. You can make use of pears on your skin, and you can make use of the Vaseline on your skin. Whatever it is you can afford, make use of it. Finally, under body care, you need to shave or wax. I think that's how it's pronounced. This one is quite famous. You can make use of shaving big or shaving cream, or you can actually wax your areas, you understand. So a lot of people prefer waxing to make use of shaving stick, and a lot of people prefer using shaving cream to all these things. So if you're going to make use of the waxing method, you can check YouTube for how to make, I think there's this stuff they use in waxing. You need that, so watch YouTube videos on how to make that at home. The fourth thing on the glow up list is nail care. Of course, you need to keep your nails clean. I have nails on today. In my last few glow up videos, I said I don't really like doing nails, but then I'm trying things out of my comfort zone. I actually got my nails done. So these are 3 things you can do on your nails. If you're not a fan of nails, please file your nail and keep it short or leave it long, but just make sure it's clean. The second thing you can do is to grab press-ons. Press-ons are quite affordable and it comes with this glue you can use and take it out after your event. So please grab yourself press-ons. It actually saves your time. You can put that on, go where you want to go, come back and take it out. It's as simple as that. And the third thing you can do is to actually get gels or acrylic nails. This one you have to go to a nail tech to do them for you. That's basically it about nail care. The fifth thing on the glow up list is face care or makeup. In my last few videos I showed you some things you can do on your face even if you don't want to do too much makeup. These are things that will brighten your face and make you look even better. Now the first thing you need to do after doing your skincare and prepping your skin, you can go ahead and use a brow pencil to line your lips, then make use of a lip gloss. It's as simple as that. And then you can use eyeliners if you just want to be a bit extra, but if you can't do that you can actually skip that part. And on days you have special stuff to go for and you don't want to do makeup, just grab yourself a little bit of foundation, make sure it's your shade, then apply it on your face. Use your fingers or a beauty blender, and trust me, it will elevate your face and you can thank me later. Trust me, by doing these few things, your face can be able to light up a room. Now, under face care, you need to grab yourself lashes. If you're not a fan of this, that's fine, you can skip this part. But if you do want to look better, please grab lashes. You can get cluster lashes instead of going for lash extensions. Lash extensions tends to last longer, but then if you go for cluster lashes, it lasts for I think 1 or 2 weeks. I'm not so sure, but you can make use of it and it lasts that long. The cool thing about cluster lashes is that it's quite affordable and you can do it by yourself. Remember, this video is aimed at you doing things by yourself, so you can grab these and do them by yourself. Check online and you see how to make use of them. The next thing on the glow up list is fashion. You can never have enough of fashion, so you need to learn your body type. I said this in my last video. You need to know your style. I know you admire some things online. You can start building your wardrobe by adding 1 or 2 things you see on maybe Instagram, Pinterest. Just start building your wardrobe to suit what you like. You need to start being intentional about what you like and the kind of outfits you like. Do you like corporate wears, office wears, cute outfits, elegant dresses? Start grabbing one of those whenever you go to the market. The next thing under fashion is accessorizing. You can never have enough of this. You can learn to make use of rings, gold necklaces, silver necklaces, bracelets. You can also go for pearls, just like this one I'm putting on right now. Just make use of anything you can find. Make sure it's looking good and it matches what you're wearing. Under fashion, you need good footwears. Invest in getting good footwears. You need your slippers, you need sandals, you need flat shoes, and then heels. I mean, basically you need to wear something while going out, so it's just to know the ones that suits what you're wearing and make sure you're comfortable in them. The seventh thing on the glow up list is confidence and mindset. How you actually carry yourself depends on how confident you are. Now, the way you walk into a room when you're fully dressed is going to tell people whether or not you're comfortable with what you're wearing. Imagine you're all dressed up and you're looking so beautiful and gorgeous, but you're walking a certain way. Yeah, people will know you're not comfortable and that's not your style. You need to learn to own the room whenever you walk into a room dressed. You can start practicing gradually, like dressing up in your room and actually acting the way you would act when you're in public. Yeah, it's crazy, but you need to start from somewhere. Fake it till you make it. Learn to own your look and be more confident in what you wear. The last thing on the glow up list is your health and exercises. I'm not just a fan of looking good, I'm also more of a fan of feeling good. I love feeling good inside out. And when I say inside out, I mean down there and basically generally. So please do learn to take care of yourself down there. Make sure you're infection free. Go to the pharmacy and grab yourself some drugs if you feel a certain way. I don't know how often you should treat yourself, but you can research online and do treat yourself whenever you need to. As I said, health and exercise. When it comes to exercises, you need to find a nice simple routine you can follow. You can either go to the gym or do this at home. The reason why people go to gym is because you feel more motivated at the gym. Practically speaking, when you look at someone else gymming, yeah, you will just have to gym. Take your exercises seriously. And if you've not started just like me, I'm not even going to lie, I've not started I've not started this aspect. It's one of my goals this 2025 to hit the gym or to start exercise. I pray for the help of God. You can't actually skip this part if you want a good banging body structure. All those physique you see on the internet is not just built overnight. You need to go to the gym to grab yourself some good physique. So favorites, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I actually had fun doing this one. It's very easy to glow up. I figured this year. Before, I used to be so scared of it because I felt like it cost so much. Yes, I did spend some money in buying things, but then I maintained a simple routine, and that's what's keeping me looking fresh and good. As I said, I started my glow up journey January last year, and that has been the best thing ever because I don't just look good, I feel good. It's not just about taking care of your mental health, your physical health matters, your physical look and appearance matters. Treat yourself the way you want people to treat you. You're a princess, don't forget that. I love you, can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.